Welcome to a little tutorial on the basic concepts in pharmacology for beginning nurses. My name's Eli.
And I'm Jason, and today we're going to be covering the pharmacokinetic principles of onset of action and peak effects.
While the four main principles of pharmacokinetics usually include absorption, distribution, metabolism, and excretion, often overlooked is the information that anyone taking a medication would want to know.
And that is how long before it kicks in, when will it peak, and how long will it last?
The time of onset is defined as the time it takes for a given medication to initiate its first therapeutic response. This time will vary based on the medication itself and the route in which it is administered.
Peak, on the other hand, is the time it takes for the medication to reach its maximum therapeutic response within the body. Using the analogy of a restaurant, if we open our doors at 8 a.m. and don't begin getting customers until 9 a.m., our time of onset will be 1 hour. That is, it takes 1 hour for us to obtain our first financial gain, or our first therapeutic response.
And if the majority of our customers come for lunch between the hours of 12 p.m. and 1 p.m., our peak effect is reached in 4 to 5 hours since we opened our doors at 8 a.m. This is considered our maximum therapeutic response.
Let's take a look at how this all works in the body.
So here we are,
Again.
studying for pharmacology.
Again.
And what do you know? We got that major headache.
Again. In rummaging through the medicine cabinet, we have each chosen a different medication to cure our headache.
Well, Jason has chose to stay safe and use Tylenol PO.
Eli takes a riskier route by injecting morphine IV.
So how do these terms of onset and peak effect apply to these medications?
Our fancy graph shows that it will take 1 hour from the time of administration before Tylenol begins to create a therapeutic response, yet 2 hours for me to have maximum headache relief. Furthermore, I will have headache relief for about 8 hours.
Morphine IV, on the other hand, will peak much faster, before 30 minutes in fact, since it bypasses the absorption process and goes directly into the bloodstream. Furthermore, maximum headache relief will peak in 30 minutes, and I will only feel relief for about 4.5 hours.
Due to the medications we chose for our headache relief, only one of us could continue studying.
Can you guess who took what medication? So why do nurses need to know this?
So that we know when to assess for positive therapeutic responses and when to observe for potential side effects and adverse reactions.
Thanks for listening. We hope that now you'll be able to apply this information into your nursing practice.